Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube screen size on your TV if it looks too big or too small, step by step in a simple way. Let's get started. Step 1. Adjust YouTube app settings. Open the YouTube app on your smart TV or streaming device. Play any video or live stream. Press the down arrow or OK Enter button on your remote to bring up playback controls. Look for the full screen or minimize icon and toggle it to adjust the screen size. If needed, press the back button to exit full screen. Step 2. Adjust TV display settings. Press the settings gear icon button on your TV remote. Go to picture settings or display settings. Find screen size, aspect ratio, or zoom settings. Select 16:9 or screen fit for the best display. Apply the changes and return to YouTube. Step 3. Adjust streaming device settings, Roku, Fire TV, Chromecast. Open your device settings menu. Go to display and sound or screen resolution. Choose the correct resolution, usually 1080p or 4K. Set aspect ratio to auto if that option is available. Step 4. Samsung TV screen fit settings. Press the home button on your remote. Go to settings, then picture size settings. Set picture size to 16:9, standard or fit to screen. Make sure auto zoom or overscan is turned off. Step 5. Important notes. Settings may vary depending on your TV or device model. Make sure your YouTube app and TV firmware are fully updated. If the issue still continues, a factory reset can be used as a last resort. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more easy TV tutorials.